Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and I've got some exciting things to show you today. So today I am unboxing Rachel Zoe Box of Style. If you don't know Rachel Zoe, you should. She's so funny, she's adorable. She says more is more, not less is more. So take it from her, put on an accessory, put on a hat, do something extra, and then you're ready to walk out the door. So let's get started. First of all, it says right here, hello gorgeous. I love that, I just think that's so fun. She does give you a little pamphlet that goes through everything that's inside her box. It explains everything. And I'm just gonna start going for it. Now, I will tell you, when you get your box, it's all wrapped in tissue, and it is like Christmas when you open it. But for the sake of time today, I decided I would have my assistant open it for me so I could still be surprised. So, looks like we have a belt here. This is from Below the Belt. It's just a gold trim, and I think you had your choice of doing silver or gold with this one. And yeah, it's just a great classic black belt. So yeah, love that. All right, moving along. Beauty Pie, looks like they have given you a little gift card from Beauty Pie because they gave you also the product from Beauty Pie. And that is Beauty Pie Uber Volume Boost Mascara. So let's see what that looks like. I love a new mascara. Yep, here it is. Beauty Pie mascara. I just want to look at the applicator here because I'm not sure. Straight on applicator, not curved or anything. And I'm excited to use that. I'll use that tomorrow. Next we have Box of Style Ettika Los Angeles. It comes in a cute little velvet pouch. It looks like jewelry. It's not two pieces, but it looks like it's two pieces, but it's not. Okay, oh, this is gorgeous. Love this. Okay, except for, how does it go? Let's see here. Okay, I think I know. So it goes like this. Really pretty. Again, gold, so that will probably look good if you're wearing it with the belt. Nice little necklace. Then Caudalie, I said that right? Probably didn't, sorry. What do we got here? It's Vino Perfect Serum. It is Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting for the face, neck, and décolleté. Oil free. There you go. Ooh, look at the package on that. It's pretty. So it just comes like that. Probably put that on in the morning. And it smells good too. Then next we have this. Okay, I know what this is because I saw this when I ordered it. Because you had your choice. You could have chosen a print or or all black, and of course I did all black because you know me, I love black. Basically, it's like a little poncho, really cozy, good for the fall. And then also, what you have to know is that there are things called add-ons. So when you order your box, they give you discounts on maybe past items that they have had before, and so I did the add-ons, and so I added on Smith & Colt Book of Eyes Eye Quad Palette. And I thought I liked the colors, and oh yes, I even like them more in person. So it's just a quad, probably really good for the holidays, lots of bronze and browns and fall, good for fall. That's an add-on. And then also I added on Ori Lip Lust Cream Lipstick. Ooh, and look at this gorgeous thing. That's the packaging on that. And oh boy, that is red. Red for your holiday party right there, ladies. Yeah, gorgeous. So everybody needs a red lipstick, right? Okay, so when I was going to do this Box of Style, I thought, I have some items from previous Box of Styles that I wanted to share with you. I'll show you. I have 4 items from last year's winter box, and then I have just one other item. This was not from the winter box. This is the Tatcha Polish Gentle Rice Enzyme Powder. It's just like an exfoliating powder, but just to show you, like, this is the size, like it's full size. She sends you full size products. Just an example there. Okay, so these items, I have 4 items from last year's winter box. So the first item are these amazing glam earrings, and to be honest, I think I wore them on New Year's Eve last year. So it's just a fun holiday party or New Year's Eve party earring. And then also there was this liquid eyeliner from Tarte, and it's their Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna open it up to show you the line. Really nice thin line for that glam Hollywood eye. And then moving along also is this amazing, it's called Unreal Fur, because of course it's not real fur, we don't do that, do we? Anyways, but this is so fun. It has a little loop that you can put it in for, but I just go like this. Look at that, a little fur. This really glams up your outfit, especially in the winter, and it's super soft and luxurious. So this was one of the items from the winter box last year. And then last but not least is my hero item of the day. I'm gonna surprise you, I'm not doing it at the end. I'm doing it right now. Hero item of the day is this amazing little clutch. It's got a great gold chain on it. So you had your choice of black and this like pearl white. And I chose the pearl white because I have so many black clutches. Yes, my daughters have stolen this from me, like to go to prom and things like that. Just a great little clutch. Everyone needs a good clutch. It's never gonna go out of style. And it's very glamorous. So this is my hero item of the day. Okay, for the mind, of course, I'm going to show you Rachel Zoe, Living in Style. This is her book. She's written a few books, but I happen to have this one. Now, I took the cover off, which as an added bonus, I like to decorate with books. And how gorgeous is this book? I mean, like, this is like coffee table book material, right? So for the mind, get this book. She talks about fashion, she talks about home decor, she talks about parties and entertaining, and I put a little bookmark on one of these pages because how gorgeous is this? She says here, let's have a party. Let me show you this. So, let's have a party. This is her all glammed up at her house, but I want to read you a little bit of this real quick. It says, let's have a party. Someone at a dinner party once asked me to name my top 5 wish list dinner guests, alive or not. What a great question, right? My mind somersaulted because there are so many people I would want to invite. Anyways, I just thought, isn't that a great dinner party question? Like, use that next dinner party. But just, there's little things like that that she put in there, and I just love her. If you ever heard her talk, she's hilarious. She's always like, that's bananas, and she has all these little Zoe-isms that are really adorable. I love her. And then one little added item I wanted to add. Okay, on one of my videos, I talked about Marc Fisher shoes, and I had these. I forgot I had these ones too. I want to show you these. Okay, so these are Marc Fisher, and they're little wedges, and they have a little scalloped edge. And the reason I'm showing you these are for 2 reasons. First of all, they look like the Chloe. If you're familiar with the brand Chloe, they're really high end. It's kind of a little takeoff on that. And by the way, they came from DSW. Both of the booties that I had on last time from Marc Fisher, and these, I believe, both came from DSW. So we actually only have a Nordstrom rack here. I know you can get them at Nordstrom. You can get them at DSW too. So there's a little tip and trick for you. And this is my mother-in-law's book. She's precious. She actually has a little YouTube channel too, Velma Hagar. So check her out. Okay, so there's 365 hidden treasures, little stories in here. So there's one for every day. So if you're looking for a daily devotional, you just pick the day that it is, go to it and read it, and you'll be inspired, I promise you. So with that, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.